Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can try new Windows 11 in your system without even installing it. So let me show you. First we will open our Chrome browser and then visit our website, that is win11.blueedge.me. I will leave a link to this website in the description of the video. Simply just press enter and here you can now try the brand new Windows 11. You can explore its various features. Well, these guys are looks like these guys are still working on some features. You can explore their start menu from here. Search bar. What's this? Okay, this is a news panel. It's setting, and one more cool feature about it, you can use its inbuilt browser. That is, you can even open one another window in its browser. Let me check it. Cool, it's working. Well, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more related videos.